Also facing the bad_pool_caller blue screen on your Windows PC, your system suddenly crashes, restarts, and you're stuck trying to figure out what went wrong. This BSOD usually means Windows tried to use memory that wasn't available, and that can happen because of drivers, corrupted system files, bad RAM, or even buggy apps. Let's fix it in simple steps. First, restart your PC in normal mode and remove any external USB drive, printer, or device. Many times a faulty device driver triggers this exact error. Now, check your drivers. Open Device Manager and look for any yellow warning icons. Update your network, graphics, and storage drivers because these three cause bad_pool_caller the most. Next, run Windows built-in repair tools. Open Command Prompt as admin and run sfc/scan now. After that, run dsm/online/cleanupimage/restore health. These fix corrupted system files that lead to memory crashes. If the BSOD still appears, test your RAM. Type Windows Memory Diagnostic, run the scan, and restart. If it finds errors, one RAM stick might be failing. Also remove recently installed apps, third-party antivirus, or overclocking tools. They often mess with memory pools. Finally, update Windows and check for penalties.